We've got the Concept Founder jacket here, and we are working on making sure that this doesn't just go as a jacket, but we'll get something up in the office to make sure we have founders and Founders Club members memorialized in the office somewhere at Concept Systems. So thanks for everything. We're excited.
But for me, reflecting on this moment, the Concept Systems has been 23, going on 24 years with this man building this company, and it's been an awesome ride. And for Terry to be able to go out on his own terms like this means the world to me, right?
Sometimes you're lucky you get to pick a best friend. Other times you have luck. You just find that best friend. Terry and I are neighbors. Now you guys are putting him out of work. So he gets to have the hat.
There you go.
And I'm stuck with this one. I feel ridiculous.
It's been good. I'm going out happy with the company. I know we've had some ups and downs, but all companies. And the people here that I work with is the hardest part for me.
Well, you're not far. You
But
can visit.
Steve says I'm going to be back here and there, so so I'm still going to be able to visit and whatnot. So it's not going to be completely gone, but I am going to take some time before you calls me back in. But like I said, the people here is the hardest part to walk away from. The company itself, what Roman built and Michael, has been great. It's been